welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you one of the main attractions of Nashik, which is Sula Vineyard. I would say main attraction of Nashik, or maybe one of the main attractions of Maharashtra as well. Sula came into existence in 1996, which was started by Mr. Rajiv Sawant, who is currently serving as the MD and CEO of Sula Vineyard. It's a huge property spread in over 3,000 acres of land. This place hasn't changed much in a decade. This is my third visit, and last I came here in 2013, if I remember clearly. So earlier there was no entry pass, but now they have introduced one.
अंदर टूर करना है।
हाँ, एंट्री के लिए पर पर्सन 600 का कूपन लेना है। अंदर जो भी बिल होगा उसमें से माइनस हो जाएगा। ये कवर चार्जेस है। ये पैसा अंदर जाके यूटिलाइज करना है, खाने में, पीने में, परचेसिंग बाय करने में।
तो पहले तो ऐसा नहीं था, पहले तो फ्री अंदर विजिट कर सकते थे।
अभी लिमिटेड क्राउड अंदर जाता है ना,
और
सर्विस देने के लिए दिक्कत नहीं होती।
और अगर मान लीजिए कि सिर्फ अगर घूमना है और अंदर खाना पीना नहीं है तो
अंदर जाना है तो कंपलसरी कूपन लगेगा। मैं
और क्या मतलब वो 600 हम वहाँ यूज़ कर सकते हैं। और अगर
कर सकते हैं, बॉटल ले सकते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खा सकते हैं, ये नहीं बिना आपका पैसा वेस्टेज नहीं है।
और नहीं, और अगर ना यूज़ करें तो यहाँ रिफंड होगा?
नहीं, रिफंड नहीं होता।
हाँ, ठीक।
So if you notice at the back, the cover charge for weekdays Monday to Friday is rupees 600 per pax, and on weekends Saturday and Sunday it's 1000 per pax. In a decade's time, they have just made it more beautiful and more systematic or organized, I can say. Maharashtra is very close to my heart. Since I stayed there for a longer duration, I completed my studies and I worked there. But there are three main reasons I'll tell you. One is the monsoon. It is the best in the country. Like till date where I've visited, I find it's the best place for monsoon. It pours anytime. Second is the scenic beauty and the safety. And third, people are less judgmental. So there are a couple of points which are included in this cover chart. If you're not taking a bottle or you're not eating anything inside, then there is a particular package in which certain things are included, which is considered to be a tour, a tasting tour. So that includes walking through the grape farms, but as it was raining, so probably that was not there. They did not take us to any tour in the grape farm. Another is understanding the process, how it is bottled, etc., and how is it made, which I'll be showing you further. Second is the trip to the bottle shop, and the last one is the wine tasting experience. So except walking through the grape farms, everything I'll be showing you in a while.
I'm just recording something. The questions? No?
Sula is open for 365 days. The best time, as per my recommendation, is the monsoon season, but only if you enjoy rain. And the preferred time is the grape season, which is from January to March. You will definitely have a different experience if you come at that point of time. You can see grapes and enjoy that area, the farm area. Now we are going inside to understand the whole process. So the process is divided into 7 steps, which includes harvesting of the grapes, then de-stemming them, crushing, fermentation, also known as maceration, malolactic fermentation, clarification, and bottling.
His mother's name, Sula Vineyards. He took the full initial SULA and named the company Sula Vineyards Limited.
So now it's time to taste the wine. We'll be tasting these 6 flavors.
हम 50 to 80 वाइन्स की टेस्टिंग करते हैं, तो एवरी वन हैव डिफरेंट अल्कोहल, फ्लेवर्स, अरोमास, राइट? तो हमारा इंटेंशन तो होता है टू गेट ड्रंक. लेट्स गिव अ swirl एवरीवन.
चक्की चला रहे.
दिस इज पेल येलो कलर, प्योर आइस, राइट? अच्छे से swirl करते हैं. आफ्टर swirl, please take a sniff of the wine. This has an alcohol of only 12.5%.
So out of 4 cover passes, we have utilized 2 here because dad and brother doesn't drink. Even I don't drink wine, but yeah, I wanted to taste and cover it. They only allowed them who are going to taste it. They are only allowed to stay here once the tasting starts.
हमें
So
अंदर
you've
लो छाते
already
में.
seen there was one roof restaurant.
तो नीचे देख के.
Now there's one more restaurant here, and once we go inside, there is an open amphitheater also. Before I end this video, let me share a quick tip with you. As this place is a bit far from the city, so you have to take a personal vehicle to reach here. We came here from Shirdi and booked a full day cab. It's economical for them who are staying in Nasik, but as we stayed in Shirdi, Trimbakeshwar and Mahabaleshwar, so for us it was a better plan. That's it for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and for notification, press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye Sula.